and I have two amazing mails to share with you. I have one from Ilsa and one from Seher. So I will just start, but first I want to show you, oh, this envelope. Beautiful, beautiful. And also this envelope is gorgeous, and this is a metal piece on top of the envelope. Very, very pretty. So I received this mail from Ilsa. I will take it off screen to get everything out because her address is on the back and otherwise it will show, and I will not have that on my channel. So Ilsa sent me this adorable flip book. It is so cute and I totally love it. I will zoom in a little bit. Look how pretty. She watched my videos and she immediately picked out of my videos that I love butterflies, blue and cats. So she made something with blue and butterflies and it is gorgeous. So in here is her note. It is in a pocket. Very cute. I really love this. She's Dutch, so this says letter in Dutch. And then you can open it like this. It is the cutest little thing. So when you open it, she has decorated these sides, and this is a tag that says lots of love in Dutch. Veel liefs. Then you can open it this way and look at this gorgeous vellum envelope. It is so pretty. If you open it up, she has put in tons of goodies for me. So she has put in some butterfly stickers. Really pretty. And then in here there's some butterfly wood veneers, some stamps. I haven't opened this yet because I want to show you that she put it together really cute with a little belly band. So now I can take it out. I think she has some very pretty vellum butterfly paper. So thank you so much for sharing this with me, Ilsa. I love them. I can fussy cut them out and use them in my own projects. And she sent me quite a lot of those, which I really like. Yes, there's a beautiful butterfly stamp, the butterfly wood veneers, and another butterfly stamp. Very pretty. I love this. I'm going to have so much fun with these goodies. So I will put that back in the little envelope. So cute. So they're back. Then in here she has put some beautiful washi samples. I really love these. They're very pretty. And then in this bag there are some butterfly die cuts. And then you can open it up one more time. She sent me some, oh, I will zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. So she sent me some more tags, and she sent me some of the lots of love Dutch tags and some more beautiful butterflies. Very pretty. And then she painted this for me. I wanted to share that with me. Love the girl. This is definitely going up on my wall. And then on the back she has put some dried flowers. I believe it's a lavender. What is in here? Very cool. And this will go into the pen pal journal. And then she also made me this beautiful tag. Totally love this. Thank you so much, Ilse. It is beautiful. So beautiful. I'm still in the process of catching up. I have sent out mail this week. I wrote a letter and I sent out a birthday card. So I hope it will all arrive, because I have sent out mail and I think 4 or 5 of my mails just didn't arrive yet. And they've been out there for like a month, 3 weeks. So yeah, that quite sucks, but I hope they still will arrive. So this is from my pen pal Seher, and we love to write long letters to each other, and she made the most beautiful envelope, and this will definitely go in the pen pal journal because look how gorgeous this is. I might keep the envelope because I believe it's an A5 size, so it might fit in my pen pal journal, and we'll put it in there like this and put the letter inside. It's just beautiful. And then she has wrapped everything beautifully up, but it's not beautiful anymore because I've looked through everything, of course. But it was beautiful. If you go to her Instagram, you can see what she made. And this is her letter. Look how beautiful. It matches the envelope. It is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I really love this design. But I'm not going to show you because that's private. So it was wrapped up in this beautiful ribbon with this beautiful tag. Says enjoy. Very pretty. Then she sent me some of her gold foil, which I'm very excited about because I saw her use that on her Instagram so many times and it is gorgeous, and now I can try it out myself. So thank you so much, Seher. I'm very happy with this. Then everything was wrapped in these beautiful packages or envelopes she made. I think she made them herself from wrapping paper. I didn't put anything back, but look at this beautiful design. So pretty. Then she made me this. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh, and it shimmers and I'm so excited. I saw this on her Instagram and I loved it. I immediately loved it. But of course she didn't tell me that she made this for me. So she had a little bit of a chuckle that I left a comment. Oh, I love this so much. It's so beautiful. But she had already in mind to send me this and I totally love this. Very pretty. This will definitely go up on my wall. Oh, it's gorgeous. So that was I believe that was in this one, and she left a note about this. So here another packaging. She sent me a card, a postcard. I love this card, so that will definitely go in the pen pal journal. And then she made me some sets of ladies with flowers, because this is what she is doing lately and it's gorgeous. So I can make my own lady, which is really cool. So she sent me a couple of sets of those and they are gorgeous. Totally love them, and I will definitely make something like this as well. They're beautiful, gorgeous ladies. I should get this stamp set. Very pretty, gorgeous. Thank you so much, Seher. And then she rediscovered a die, a doily die, and she sent me a stack of those. Thank you so much, Seher and Ilsa, for your mail. I hope to respond to you as soon as possible, but I'm still massively behind. School starts in about 2 weeks, so I need to get my groove on and start working on more mails. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I would love it if you would leave a like on this video, and I also would love it if you would consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you all next time.